In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Microsoft Teams meeting invite. If you already have a meeting created in Microsoft Teams and you want to quickly share it with someone through a chat, this is a simple and effective way to do it. I'll walk you through the process from finding the meeting to sending the invite link so the other person can join easily. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the calendar section. This is where all of your scheduled meetings appear. Once you're in the calendar, look for the meeting you want to share. Make sure you choose the correct meeting, especially if you have several events scheduled close together. Next, click on the meeting to open its details. This will bring up the meeting information, including the join options and any settings attached to that event. Opening the details is important because this is where you'll access the shareable meeting link. Once the meeting details are open, click the clipboard icon. This copies the meeting link to your clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else. If you don't see a long message appear, that's completely normal. The link is simply copied in the background and is ready to be pasted into a chat. After that, go to Chat in Microsoft Teams or click the Chat section if you're not already there. This is where you can send the meeting invite directly to an individual or a group conversation. Using chat is helpful when you want to share the invite quickly without creating a separate email. Now, select the conversation or the person you want to send the invite to. If needed, you can open an existing chat or choose the right contact before pasting the link. This makes sure the invite goes to the correct recipient. Then, paste your meeting link into the message box. You can usually do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or by using your keyboard shortcut. Before sending, it can be helpful to quickly check that the link appears properly in the message field. Finally, hit Send. Once you do that, your Teams meeting invite link will be delivered in the chat, and the recipient can open it and join the meeting from there. That's it. As a quick tip, always double-check the meeting details before sharing the link, especially the date and time, so everyone receives the correct invite. And if you're sending it to multiple people, make sure you're in the right conversation before you press send. Now you know how to send a Microsoft Teams meeting invite quickly and clearly using Teams Chat.